Hey there everybody, Steve Blanchard here at Daddy Jack's, 181 Bank Street, New London, Connecticut. Today I'm going to run you guys a quick pizza recipe. We're going to do a chicken cordon bleu. I have one of our small doughs here, weighed out at 10 ounces, stretches out to a nice 16-inch. First we're going to grab, this is what I use for the white base on my pizzas. It's more or less a garlic herb oil with a little bit of butter in there. Being in oil, it's going to spread out fine throughout the pizza as it cooks. I'm going to give a dust of the Parmesan cheese, about 2 tablespoons. We give our handful of spinach. I always like to put the spinach underneath the cheese. Cooks in really nice, absorbs some of the oil. And here we go, we got our pizza cheese here. This is a 50-50 blend of provolone and mozzarella. A little bit of cheese goes a long way. You don't need a whole lot on there, just enough to spread and cover the top. We got chicken here that we roasted and diced up in the wood fire oven. And we got some nice country ham, shredded up. Here we go, we got some nice Swiss cheese. We're just going to break this up, it's going to spread out throughout the pizza as it cooks. Now we're just going to dust this with a little bit of Parmesan cheese over the top. And we're going to go right in our wood fire oven. Our oven should be running around 700 degrees right now. We're placing right up front. Cook time should be about 3 to 4 minutes. And we'll be right back with you. Here's our pizza. She's been cooked in the oven for about 3 minutes now. So we got nice color over there on the top. We got nice color on the bottom. Cooked up, nice and crispy. I'll give her a cup. Top it off with a little over blanc. It's lemon butter fish and sauce. Jack uses on a lot of his recipes here at the restaurant. Alright, Nova and Corey, you guys are going to be the taste testers, the guinea pigs here.
What is
fish
it?
off a little green onion. We got chicken cordon bleu pizza.
Is it ham?
You're going to melt my toast. Yep, there's a little bit of ham on there.
Are your face?
Yeah. Richard? There you go, my friend. Get down in there.
It smells very good though.
Really good, Steve-O. Thank you, brother. What do you think? Should we get my dad a piece?
Yeah, I think so.
He's been behaving today. Here you go, Pops.
Thanks.
Alright, now about
Spectacular.
Thank you, Jack. That about concludes our chicken cordon bleu pizza. Once again, here at Daddy Jack's in London, Connecticut, 181 Bank Street, cooking with the blues. Thank you very much. Have a great day.
It's a long biggie.